Hi, my name is Megan and I own WellFed, a meal prep delivery service in South Jersey. I recently started working with Al Shan after we connected through a networking group that we were both involved in. Before Al, my business was not searchable on Google and I had no idea how to improve my SEO. As a new business owner, I honestly did not have the mental bandwidth to figure out how to do those things. There are a lot of moving parts in opening a business in the food industry, especially in a pandemic. And in just a few short sessions, I think we have met 3 times so far. Not only has Al helped me get set up on Google, but he's also given me so many tools to help improve my SEO. And it's been about 3 weeks since our last session. I have had a 235% increase in foot traffic on my website and have 5 new clients that found me through an organic Google search for meal prep services in my area. So to say that Al has helped my business is an understatement. Not only do I feel confident in my ability to continue to improve my SEO using the tools that he's given me, I found him very easy to work with. He's personable, he's kind, he is attentive, and breaks them down in a way that they make sense and they are easy for somebody like me who is not the most tech savvy person in the world. So if you were thinking about looking for a coach to help you improve your marketing, I highly recommend his services. So reach out to him. It'll be worth it.